Hi guys, orders ready. So ayun guys, naka-receive nga tayo dyan ng order through Talabat pagkatapos mapanood ni Madam sa YouTube yung in-upload nating chicken tinola na video guys. So guys, baka hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe sa YouTube ng GFH Street Restaurant. Ang link ng YouTube guys nasa comment section na guys. Please like and subscribe. So ayun na nga guys, yung bali umorder si Madam, regular customer namin siya sa Talabat guys. Bali umorder siya ng paborito niyang chicken tinola guys, kaya nag-start na tayong lutuin ng chicken tinola na order ni Madam. Meron na yung onion, garlic, ginger, lemongrass guys, fresh papaya, chicken, and pechay guys. All fresh guys. Once again guys, once you order your food, that's the time only we cook and prepare your food, so you can guarantee your food have good quality and safety food for your happiness and satisfaction. Good food, good mood. Everyday fresh, quality goods. So shoutout nga po pala sa mga regular customer namin for chicken tinola guys. Kila Madam Cherry, Madam Maria Jade, Madam Amira, Madam Carmela, Madam Fatima, Madam Noor. Thank you so much for always ordering chicken tinola at your GFH Street Restaurant. So guys, kung hindi nyo pa po na-try ang chicken tinola ng GFH Street Restaurant, pwede po kayong umorder with 20% discount sa Talabat, Smiles, or pwede po kayong mag-dine dito sa GFH Street Restaurant or takeout guys. Ang link ng delivery service namin guys, tsaka location nasa comment section na guys. Please click this one and automatically you will find your GFH Street Restaurant. So ayun guys, habang ginigisa ko nga yan dyan, bigla na naman tumunog yung Talabat dyan. Bali naghihintay na lang tayo maluto dyan guys, para ready na naman tayo sa susunod na order guys. Once again guys, 20% discount for 30 AED purchase on all your favorite food combination at your GFH Street Restaurant. So guys, sana lagi kayong umorder sa GFH Street Restaurant. Pwede kayong magpa-shoutout sa mga ginagawa namin vlog. Ilagay nyo lang sa resibo guys yung pangalan nyo kung gusto nyo magpa-shoutout, kung gusto nyo pagawa ng video yung mga order nyo food. So ayan guys, sobrang quality talaga ng chicken tinola ng GFH Street Restaurant. Lagi siyang trending sa Talabat guys. Lagi siyang bestseller sa Talabat. So please do try the chicken tinola of your GFH Street Restaurant. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Thank you guys.